I'm Omayel, a certified ARNI and a travel host who helps K-pop fans plan soul trips nang hindi umos ang savings. Since BTS comeback is coming sooner than we all expected, ang daming nagtatanong about Korean visa, especially yung kailangan ba super laki ng laman ng bank account para ma-approve. So here are the 3 things na hindi masyadong napag-uusapan when it comes to getting approved for a Korean visa from my own experience. So, let's go. So, number 1, hindi siya tungkol sa malaki ba ang pera mo. It's about consistency. Akala kasi ng iba, kailangan 100,000 agad sa bank. Pero mas tinitingnan nila yung galaw ng pera mo. Kung biglang may 80,000 deposit, tapos before that is 0 o maliit lang, medyo questionable yun para sa immigration. Pero kung may 5,000, 8,000, 10,000 na slowly building up every month, mas believable yun for them. You also have to make sure na enough ang laman ng bank account mo sa length of stay mo. Always remember, consistency is impressive numbers for them. Number 2, hindi lang pera ang kailangang makita nila, kundi yung babalik ka sa Pilipinas. Hindi nakasulat to sa website and hindi rin masyadong napag-uusapan. Pero important is your ties to your home country. Examples, may trabaho ka, may anak, may bills, may business. Basically, may life na gusto mong balikan here sa country mo. Yan yung silent requirement na hindi naman talaga lahat aware. The last one is low income is equals to deny ka agad. But to be honest, messy documents can ruin everything. Maraming nade-deny hindi dahil kulang yung pera, kundi dahil hindi connected yung papel nila. Things that you can show is COE and salary plus bank movement shouldn't look totally disconnected. So if you're freelance, show screenshots, invoices, and GCash movement. And if you're supported by someone else, proof of relationship and support letter is needed. Immigration doesn't know your life. They only know your paperwork. So make sure to let your story know and clear. And quick reminder, if you're joining my companion soul trip this comeback in Festa, lahat ng tips, guidance, and assistance sa visa application, free kong binibigay. Just join the link in my bio. And I hope this helps, because if it does, just click the save button, or you can also add me so you can watch all my other tips. Bye!